Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to select formatting information on the Microsoft Excel application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Tap on the blank workbook option and type in something into your column, and then if you want to select its formatting, just simply tap on the A and pencil icon at the top, click on home in the middle of the screen and tap on if you want to change the font. First of all, you need to tap on this first row, which is Calibri. So the font is set to Calibri. If you click on it, you can change the font. Here you have a bunch of options, as you can see. If you like any of these, just tap on the relevant one and it will be updated. If you go up, you can select the font size by using this scale. By going back, you can make your text bold, italicize, underline, or strike through. You can also select borders, such as no border, all borders, outside border, thick outside border, bottom, top, left, and right border, and so on. You can also select the font color. Here are theme colors, and next to it there are 5 of its shade. You can also create your own color if you are a premium member. You can also change the paragraph style, merge it. You can wrap it, select text direction. There is this format painter function as well. You can update the cell style, as you can see. There are many preset options that you can choose from. You can also select the number format, currency, accounting date, time, percentage, fraction, and so on. And also it's possible to format the cell size, to clear something, to clear the content, and basically that's it. So see you in the next video, guys. Bye bye.